Removing Odoo branding from your website involves a few straightforward steps, primarily by upgrading to the enterprise version or using customization options available in the community version. Here's how to do it. Upgrade to Odoo Enterprise. The easiest way to remove Odoo branding is to upgrade from the community version to the enterprise version. Odoo Enterprise allows you to customize the branding fully, including removing the Odoo logo from the website. Access website configuration. Log into your Odoo dashboard and navigate to the website module. Go to Customization settings. In the website module, click on the Customize option, usually found in the top right corner. Edit branding. Look for options related to the logo or branding. You can upload your custom logo here. Ensure you replace the Odoo logo with your branding. Edit footer. Navigate to the footer section of your website. You may need to switch to the HTML editor mode to remove any Odoo related text or links. Check for third-party modules. If you need further customization, consider using third-party modules available in the Odoo App Store that allows for deeper branding changes. Save changes. Once you've made your edits, save your changes and refresh your website to verify that Odoo branding has been removed.